Hey, what's up XRP holders? So this is live price prediction of XRP coin my weather, and definitely all cryptocurrencies is very fastly moving upward in last 7 days my weather, and absolutely XRP will also hit now 1.34 USD dollar. They will come my friends from 0.6 USD dollar to 1.4 USD dollar. So I think it's a very huge jump my weather, and definitely all cryptocurrencies will moving upward. So therefore I think XRP will also moving upward now. And what's my friend our price prediction, what's the opinion, everything I will tell you. But kindly holder, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. This time the price of XRP, the current price is 1.26 USD dollar, but the highest price, as you can see here, 1.34 USD dollar. So make sure my brothers to and previous days, if you can see here, if the crypto market is not compatible, so therefore all currencies were fails down. So therefore my brother, as you can see here, in last 7 days the crypto market is comfortable. So therefore, as you can see here, the price of XRP is also increasing, and you can see here 42.43%. It's a very huge jump my brother, not as small. It's a huge from also Cardano my friend. They will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I'm so happy to I am and I will proud feel my friends too. I am a holder of XRP, and definitely I'm 100% sure to in upcoming days XRP will give me a very good profit now, because I know to it the last 10 days of every month my brother, especially short-term investor, they are starting investing. So therefore the coin will take a very huge jumps now and moving in upward direction. So therefore I know to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So my prediction is totally going to be positive now in upcoming days. My opinion is for all of you to please hold it now. And if you have any plan to invest more, so kindly, this is a very good time. Please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. Let's see holders to what's going on in upcoming days. Please kindly, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.